Teacher, my teacher, Stala Vista, Kukuna, Peace, no Costa Rosta, one time, Chagalacha. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode 13. Episode 13. If I'm not mistaken, episode 13, Wafit. Episode 13, open mic session. And guys, please, Wafit, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, Wafit. Please, subscribe on YouTube, everything, social kaofela. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Skona guys. Kopale subscribe my face. Today I'm going to my favorite guest, Westside 6. Magana ngi Mr. J6. Amjela ntwana ma u change igama ehleki. Amjela. Asiqale lapho.
J6 ayi.
Yeah. Why mfethu change igama? Kwenzakali?
Sengimdala.
Umdala ntwana. So manje ufuna amagama amasha manje umdala.
Yeah, so yimdala
Sure.
yabona. Ufuna netigama elizo represent ikasi yami.
Ikasi yakho sure.
Ngithola so
Yeah.
se west of yes.
So west. Nebatshela ntwana ukuthi ubani futhi introduce abangaTV ngithola. AbangaTV bakutshela ukuthi ne Westside 6 awuthiyava.
Natal up 7.
Yeah.
Up 76.
Yeah.
Westside 6.
Away.
Mamiliphi igama ngazingalo. Yeah. Ntwana sekazi.
Ntwana sekazi. Anonzuleka mfethu. Scarce dana sakuboni gawo. Unsuva?
Futhi ngiyaphusha ngiyaspana.
Uyaspa?
Spana.
Isha.
So push spana.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm at Durban for now.
Okay.
Located that side.
Full time. Oh,
Full time, yeah. So
Okay.
I moved to Durban 2023.
okay.
Yeah, and then Spana that side nama out here.
Yeah, nyaphusha nala.
Pusha yonke into, music, fashion.
Okay, yeah.
I'm sorry, yonke
Yeah.
pusha.
Le fashion tala. Kuthi kumnandi la eTV la.
Easy.
So the music is wakele, pusha everything la.
Yeah.
So as you mentioned nge fashion. Awutshele ngindaba fashion. Ni bhayisa isitwadlo or
Yeah,
nathunga kukhamba.
Khona ama outcoming now.
Yeah.
So it's different, yabo.
It's
Khona ama
different.
outside ngayo.
Okay.
Khona ama outside ama stylist.
Ama stylist.
So
Shekyaspane mustebe.
Spanish, yeah.
Okay.
So noma yinto isitwadlo mawufuna isitwadlo
Yeah.
mawufuna
Ubambe nje yami.
bambe mina.
Yeah. So it's not njani leso. What kind of clothing?
Nah, though, just in everything that's nice, but
It's nice, ne?
everything that's
Oh,
nice.
should manje uyakhuluma ukuthi ufunani? Or
Mawufuna sikdesign, mawune design,
Okay.
ufuna umuntu ozokuthungela sikhona. If you want to pull up at our store,
okay.
just friends.
So where's the branch? The branch store?
It's in Durban.
Only Durban.
Yeah.
Ayikho
Currently it's
ngayi-
in Durban, but sizoyivula enye branch soon ngaye Jozi.
Okay.
One of the reasons why ngingayive here.
Oh, busy na.
So busy ngayo
Okay.
sifuna ukuvula enye
Enga branch ngayini.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's dope, man. La yeah, bafit. So ibizwa netwana le
Just friends.
Just friends.
clothing and more, yeah.
ikhona Mariona some yeah ikhona.
Yeah, social media,
Wangena just friends, okay?
Check.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's called.
Nizwake just friends.
Yeah.
So ningaki da? Two men.
No, sibabhaya.
Sibabhaya.
Collective, ama-out abhaya, yabo.
Okay.
So, ama-out shop music, it's dancers,
Yeah.
MCs,
Yeah.
rappers, designers, yabo.
Yeah.
So, nje, collective, ama-out, esihlangene, sethi, asipushe isibani.
Ni music ushana wespan vele la.
Yeah.
Okay. So music khambani ntwana ngisakuboni man music khambani. Ngibona ngama single.
Ngirelaxile.
Yeah.
Ngirelaxile.
Yeah.
Okwamanje, I'm just behind the scenes for
Behind
most
the
of the
scenes.
part, yabo.
Okay.
Ngiyancane ukusebenzela emuva.
Yeah.
Siza ama-out.
Uthi, yeah.
Ngithola. Like for example, khona intwana yami uDamen.
Okay.
Currently the biggest gqom song in the country.
Yeah.
Dal ngibulindi my dad.
Lo ngiyacava
The one that's trending on TikTok.
Yeah.
Yes, but to keep a music video yakhona.
Yeah,
It's
man.
on Friday. Go check the music video
Yeah,
out.
yeah. Check it out, guys.
Directed by Slow Man.
Okay.
I was part of that production as well.
Yeah.
and
Edebe nija.
Yeah,
It funny.
yeah.
Yeah.
So the biggest gqom song currently nje.
Yeah. Dali.
Yeah.
Bafethu streamer bafethu streamer. So pusha namajita nawe eqhomo ngara. So
Shaya yonke into.
yonke into la. Yeah.
Mengibona ukuthi uyaspana Yeah, via where I can help, I'll go in.
You're going in,
And
yeah.
so, yeah, value always been that way.
Yeah. So when we masingilisi usapusha or behind the scene vele.
Usapusha ngiyarekhoda.
Yeah.
Ukurelease sobona manje nje asirekhodela letsile ma ukhona music engizomnikeza.
Yeah, hey, but I love the track, man. The Njabulo.
Njalo.
Njalo. Angazi wangibiza Njabulo, njalo ntona.
Yeah.
Ne, man, that track is dope. It's dope,
Yeah,
dope,
yeah,
dope,
yeah. Shout out to
dope track.
Njayam. Shout out
Yeah,
to
yeah,
Njayam,
yeah, yeah.
Giant.
Yeah, man, tell me about that track, man.
Hey, that song took us a long time to finish that song.
Okay.
Because Giant, when I moved to Durban,
Yeah.
he sent me the song. And so
Beat or say
beat ne chorus.
the chorus, okay.
And then he sent it to me. I think mama again
And you killed it.
track is okay. So he sent me that
and you
song.
killed it.
Hey,
And you killed
that
it.
track ngihlale ngayo for 2 years.
Why?
Like, cause I'm record, them side relaxed. And so
E plaza boplomele vie.
ngisaplomile ngispana kwezinye izinto.
Yeah.
But
Usebreaking.
yeah, well, but ngihlalela track 2 years, and then we recorded my verses, and then ngahlala via another year. Naye nje fonini.
Yeah, njalo.
But Giant nje, he kept on pushing me ukuthi ayifike track insweba siyikhiphe.
Ayintswemi bro.
So
Inswemi. So in music video vela la guys.
nah, music video.
Next.
Yeah.
Hey,
Abantu bayakhala bafuna music video.
Sha music video ka uzwakala naso supporta. Mangana ungashele Durban. Mfika ibudget izosibulala. Hayi wotela,
Durban is not far, dog.
The
fact ukuthi mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngilo ngithi all the time, it means Durban is not far.
Mara feli safika. So uzosha music video vela.
Nah, I don't think I'm gonna do a music video for that song because khona amanye ama-tracking nginawo engizowakhipha. Khona i-tracking ngiyishaya no-Sesh.
Okay.
I think we interview yakho no-Sesh, you were playing the song.
You know that song, yeah.
Yeah, that's the song that we're gonna drop next. And then there's a whole bunch of other music that I have. It's ngishaya ngevotes and fits in maybe like 500 songs that are unreleased.
Unreleased.
Yeah, well,
So manje shoot manje ke simele EP ngapha. Frankly,
I don't know.
Why you don't know? But release that 500 music, man. Let's go na
Ama-hits akhona.
Yeah. Keep on
Hits, but like yeah, I feel so a lot of people don't understand. Like releasing music is not easy. Like it's not just siyakhipha nje kuphela. Now uring ukuthi ufuna music video.
Budget ifuna inyuku show out, yeah.
So izinto ezibhaya, just handling the distribution, the publishing, handling ama-visuals, handling yonke into that's needed. So that we track ikwazi ukufika kuwe uyidlale nawe efonini yakho uyidlale etransini uyendlini uzirilexele. There's a lot that I have to do to make sure that the song gets to you.
So manje la futhi sifunani vie or ngiyadingeka vele because i-publishing vie obvious.
Yeah. Well, I handle everything mina independently.
Only you want
Yeah.
No Kazlomchita.
Isakhona Kazlomchita isakhona.
Ngisababona boKazlomchita. Angisababoni. Ngibona kuphela usearch sniper naye angazi kwenzakalani baba.
Yasipana. Sayafathi siyakhula.
No, angitsho my boy yasikwenzakalani ntona mina. Yabona eliving. Mawugaye into uyibona uyiqalile.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe beyichede la uqale khona.
Sure.
You understand? Hayi ukuthi mfethu stop. Because mfethu wena no snipe. Mfethu remember that track mfethu kanini that track le.
Sauce.
Njayam.
Yes.
Now we are talking.
But mele ucabange Viet.
I know ukuthi nikhulile bafethu nichatile.
Responsibilities.
But mntwana mara you need to like at least like make time for music, bro.
Yeah, we do.
Nah, you
make time for you.
At least you make time for me. Sniper ngafuna wenze time for me.
Uzofika. Phela nami ngicela kudala.
Ngisho ekudala shothi manje ubusibana la wayeka na uyekile na ngiyekile angazi kwenza la ngiyeki music bafit the talent that's eKaslab
Siyekanga sikhona.
Mara Mfethu yabona ngiyakhona ngisalute Mfethu, shout out to uzwakele ntwana yami. Ngiyabonga Mfethu. Yabona bosiyo.
Nami yangi-inspire njalo mengibona mengingena kuma-socials bese ngibona izinto zakho ngiyazi ukuthi
Hayi, hayi. Ngiyabonga ntwana yami. Mara Mfethu, so shoot manje no abantu bameleni ama-singles phela angijoti wafuna.
Yeah.
Only singles.
Ama-single azophuma.
Lezo phuma manje ile official sesh.
Yeah.
Name of the track.
It doesn't have a name yet.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's just because ngama-track abhaya.
Yeah.
So abantu ababhaya, especially ama-DJ, I'm just sending them songs to say if it's right. Na track. If you want to put anyone on the song, you can put anyone in the song.
So una manager, kuna umuntu kumanager man. You are nje push one man. About top but
so I know Jevetu, like anyone that wants to work, I have Vault by Shang Music or buy. So I'm just giving people songs. And Spawn would say that going forward.
Ngathi ungadonsa vino F3 Mfethu basipane namashita wayengida.
F3 some vibe. Ngikhona vele into efuna ukuyishaya ngayo but
yeah Mfethu faka no sniper shini manje khona mo sniper. Yeah, at least Mfethu. Hayi yabona manje ngiyakhuthana manje. Ngiyakhuthana ntona ngiyakhuthana. Otherwise anything you can tell the fans? Nothing.
Just keep watching. Just keep streaming the music.
Yeah. J6 is here.
Yeah.
Westside 6.
Sisakhona. So team.
So mayokufuna uli social link?
Up 7-6 yonke indawo.
Up 7.
Yeah, up 7-6.
So you change it, up 7, Westside 6.
Phela up 7 West.
All right. Okay.
So Westside
is
up 7.
Oh.
So you do 609.
Yeah. I'm putting ngizwela interview last year boshaya amabhazinyana la. Angishaya lebhazinyana ezithu
yabona.
Angishaya lebhazi. Bisana abantu ntwana yami. Bisana abantu. Amfethu ngilihamba ntwana ngisala yini. Ngakhaphela nyana ya.
Ngizweva amabhazi.
Ifanga. Akazi ngakathi kuJozi. I think it was Jozi FM. Or
No, Nanda FM.
Nanda FM.
So radio station.
It's a radio station.
Yeah.
And ubona even I said I did. Good versus Udi. Yeah. In that infinitely.
Even Kazakwe. So Uzakwe, they have this thing called KZN lockdown ciphers and so on.
Yeah.
And then there's the Hood versus Hood. So Hood versus Hood, how it started is amakasi aya challenger. I'm sorry. So bonke abamrap abasemlazi versus bonke abamrap abasenanda versus bonke abamrap abakwamashu and all the other areas.
So you only cyphers or you bring your own track?
You come with music and you perform.
Or you perform on
to represent your hood.
Right.
So this time around, we squad versus squad instead of hood versus hood.
Squad versus squad.
So Injayam Phinox, he was the one chosen to create a team.
Okay.
Versus team yenye out yase KZN na Upon Hustler.
Yeah.
And then Phinox chose me to be one of the 20 artists in his team. So that's what we were doing.
Okay, so it's like a competition.
It's like a competition.
You win something. 5K?
45K.
Ooh.
Plus in the studio.
Studio time?
Nah, studio equipment.
So you pay a registration fee?
No, nothing.
You just bring the team.
You just get chosen.
Yeah.
We'll see you.
That's dope. That's dope. Yeah.
And then you guys go there, and so there was my semifinals, which we won.
Okay.
Versus another team, but we team Jing, and then we went to the finals versus Upon Hustler. I was shy.
Upon Hustler. I'm not gonna
but it was fun. It was fun.
Yeah, very from final.
I'm outside by like my judge was Blacklist, Touchline.
Yeah.
No, Mobiaz.
Yeah.
And then there was Pretty
Ugly. Yeah,
Maraz, yeah. There was a whole bunch of artists that just came through.
So this thing is happening every month, or it's an annual thing?
It happens every year. By our announcement dates, we will say Lena Susha
Okay.
And then people come through, like,
Yeah,
support
they come
people.
down.
Like,
Yeah,
I think there was
ngiyabona.
like 500 people there.
Yeah, ngibonile la, ngibhekile la, ngibhekela kuwe la.
And it
Sure.
was fun. And also, like, to be the only artist, Josie, that was part of that thing.
It's only you.
It was only me. The rest of them was KZN artists. I was the only one. Not
Yeah.
And so that's what
But
was
this
fun.
guy show.
Yeah. It was fun.
45 plus D.
Yeah.
Fuck. I know that smart. Yeah.
So let's say,
Yeah.
I knew if it's a hip hop mnandi ngala KZN.
Mnandi ziyabuya masingara ku grand ngara.
Yeah.
Makafile
So
njalo.
much.
So ezizwa ke open mic session njalo. Uzoshaya track iphi?
Khona track engiphethe.
Yeah.
And it's unfinished.
Yeah.
Anyone who thinks that they can fit in the song,
Yeah.
they can hit me up on my social media.
DM.
Zobanikeza beat.
Yeah.
Bangismasha barekhode.
Yeah.
Bangisendele yona. And if I like it, ngizoyi-add send them ngizoyi-drop after.
Okay. Guys, akilukwi. Ulishapa ka track yakhe. You didn't mention the name.
Dladla Trans in Cheese.
Hayi, dla. Yeah? Dla.
Dladla Trans in Cheese.
Dla transintshisa.
Noma yiphi out sikhula sayintwana.
Yeah.
The goal is to one day mina ngibene Dladla,
Vele, Transi.
ngibene Ntshiza, ngibene Nsayizi Nswebu.
In blind. Show him now. Yeah, where is uyangithola tala. So bafethu, if you wanna tana mo beating ya yantwana yadladla ntshisa. Yey. Uyangithola. Manifuna ukungena ngaphakathi DM out Westside 6 uthenge kule platform i-social kawufela Westside 6 TikTok zonke nje yonke indawo yeah wena uthi Dladla
Transi Ntshisa.
Dladla transintshisa
Yeah.
yini hip hop which gender
Yeah,
hip hop
hip hop.
name fit that Jam. Thank you for coming bro.
Thanks.
Ngiyabonga ntwana yami ngiyabonga njaya yami ngiyabonga bafethu akuyilukile guys open mic session Isala no subscribe. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe our YouTube rating. Nazwageti open mic session. Dladla ntshisa. Yey, Dladla. Richi OSI 6 akashapa ka track ya bafethu. Are bonse nyenyenye.
All I need is Dladla, Transi, Cheese. You try me and my figures all in Tlanta sayincenza.
Yo, couldn't nobody fuck with me then. Couldn't nobody fuck with me now, yo.
I say all I need is Dladla, Transi, Cheese. You try me and my figures all in Tlanta sayincenza. Kali Kalashnikov, via le Marashi, hlabelela mzayon. What's keeping me alive? Umthandazo kamagriz. Ten late ting, I think I got some amnesia. Yeah, tryna act like me, I'm the real Brabiza. Begins the West Friends greatest, the one they call for a feature. Till the 16 comes and buddies drop like Caesar. Buddies drop like fever, buddies drop like Niggas get in the seizure. Scale them suckers aspire and you dropped your whole feed down. People ain't got time for your shit, it's past leisure. Where I come from is a no-fly zone for your bull, so that shit hit the fan, man, come on. Cash rules, but loyalty still the code, no Judas. You boys been rootless, my boys easy EOG from the other side, ruthless. FIFA, FOFA. The giants in the room, I can smell it guzzle. I'm jig attending fake by noon, they switch sides quick like a hustler 10 consumer.
Oh, well.